Hi all, welcome back to my channel Vidyabyasa. Today we are going to start chapter number 9 from Joyful Mathematics. Which season is it? So this chapter is basically about seasons, calendar, time, everything. Children, let's begin. Which season is it? Seasons. 5 seasons in a year. Spring begins with a cheer. Flowers bloom, the birds sing. When comes the merry spring. What is spring season, children? Spring season is usually seen in March and April. Okay? It's a season where flowers bloom, the trees are more greener, you see a lot of butterflies, birds, and the trees will be so colorful with flowers. Yes, this is the season where it is not too cold, not too hot. The weather will be medium. Okay? Next, summer comes with the shining sun and a long day for children to play. So what happens? Summer comes. Summer is, you know what summer is. It will be so hot in summer. This, as it says, the sun will be shining and a long day for children to play. You will have your summer vacations, right? Yeah, that time what do? You like to play, have fun, enjoy to the fullest, use all your good days in summer holidays. Yes, so in summer it will be very hot and it is a long day and you have to keep hydrated because you have to drink. Basically hydrated means you have to keep drinking a lot of water, juice, to keep the water balance in body because it is very hot outside. Okay, so next comes rainy season, comes with the water drops, peacock dances and the frog hops. So after this comes rainy season. Who does not love rainy season, children? Everybody loves. And amongst that, peacock dances in rain. Have you heard about it? And frog loves to hop from here to there in rain. So first we spoke about spring, then comes summer, then comes rainy. So these were 3 seasons here. Let's see what are the other two seasons. Okay. Leaves fall on the ground, pleasant winds on the way is when it is an autumn day. What is autumn, children? Autumn usually comes in September and October. It is after rainy season. Here the leaves starts falling. Okay. It is usually called as fall season because leaves keep falling and you will see all empty trees. And it will not be hot, the wind will be very cool because we are entering into winter season next, no? Yes. Next, winter is when I'm all in snow from head to toe. So winter is a season where if places like North India it snows during this time, and here in South India or other not snowing parts will have lot of cold, and you will be covered from head to toe, right? Wearing cap, sweater, woolen pants, shoes, socks, everything. That is what they are telling. So winter is when I am all in snow from head to toe. Okay. So in which season do you go on a vacation? Now which and all seasons we learned. First we'll write that. Okay. Spring. Correct. Summer. Rainy. Autumn. Last is winter. Okay. Yes. In which season do you go on a vacation? In which season you go on vacation, children? When will you have lot of gap? It is summer vacation. Okay, so in summer season. Okay. Your birthday falls in which season of the year? You should be writing this, children. I told you, right? Yes. So my birthday will fall sometime in winter. So I have written my answer. Okay, winter season. Which is your favorite season and why? You need to figure it out, which is your favorite season and why it is so favorite for you. For me, rainy season and Winter I love. So I will write my answer. Rainy season I love, because just enjoying in the rain, having hot pakoras, something nice soup, or eating Maggie. It is a great combination. What is special about your favorite season? So you have to write the speciality about your favorite season. As I have selected rainy season, I told you, right? It's about getting wet in the rain, and that kind of mud smell when when it starts to rain, and eating hot food. These are the specialities of my favorite season. Likewise, you need to write your special about your favorite season. Me, I'll write here mud smell, hot food, playing in rain. These are the specialities. Match the seasons with their names and festivals. Okay, here they have given the seasons. We'll write down that. First, which season is this? It's spring. Okay, this is autumn. This is winter. This is rainy. This is summer. Correct? So we need to match accordingly. As this is spring, spring is here. Okay? Okay. In spring, you have festivals called as Gudi Padwa, Shivaratri, Baisakhi and Holi. These are the festivals in spring season, children. Next comes autumn. Where is autumn? Autumn is here. Dashera, Sharat Purnima festivals come in autumn. Next is winter. Where is winter? Here. Lohri, Christmas, Republic Day, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Bihu. These all festivals come in winter. Rainy season. Where is rainy season? Rainy and monsoon are one and the same, children. So Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day comes in monsoon season or rainy season. Next is summer season. Summer is here. Guru Purnima, Buddha Purnima, Ram Navami, Mahavir Jayanti. Everything comes in summer. Okay? Yes. Calendar fun. Here they have given a calendar, children. This calendar is based on 2023 year. Okay? Now look at the calendar and fill the table. Months: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Number of days. How many days are there in all these months? There are January 31st, March 31st, May 31st, July 31st, August 31st, October 31st, December 31st. There are 31 days in all these months. Okay. February, how many days are there? 28. So 28 days. April, June, September, November. April is 30. June is 30. September is 30. And November is 30. So 30 days. So children, I'll teach you one thing. You have to close your hand like this and point the knuckles, okay? And you have to do this way. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. Which in all months come on the knuckles, on the tip of the knuckles. Those have 31 days, okay? See, January, 31 days. February, this is 28 days. March, 31 days. April, 30 days. Okay? May, 31 days. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. Again repeat here. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. Okay? This is how you can remember which month has 31 days, which month has 30 days, and you know February, only February has 28 days, and in leap year you will have one day extra which comes in February, that is 29 days. Okay? Yes. Let us talk. Why do we use a calendar? We use calendar to know the days, dates and months of the year. Okay. So we use calendar to know dates, days and months. Of a year. Okay. Yes. Does February have the same number of days in every year? Discuss. No. In leap year, there will be 29 days, which comes once in 4 years. Okay. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. In the calendar given on the previous page, how many Sundays are there in the month of April? Okay. There are 5 Sundays in April month, children. Okay. Which months have 5 Sundays? We have January, April, July, October and December. There are 5 Sundays in 2023, according to 2023 calendar. There are 5 Sundays in these months. Okay. Summer vacations are in the months of April, May. Okay. Winter vacations are in the month of November and December. Okay. Find the total number of days in April and March. Okay. April has how many days? January, February, March, April. April has 30 days. And March has January, February, March, 31 days. So totally how many days? 61 days altogether. Okay. Now project work. Make your own calendar of your birthday month and mark your birthday in it. Do this, children. Okay. Yes. How long does it take? Match the activity with the duration of time it requires to get completed. See, children, they have given few activities here and we have to tell what is the duration it takes to do this activity. Will it take days, hours or months? We need to think and do it. Okay. Now, filling a water tank, such big tank, it might take hours. It won't take days or months to fill this, to get this tank filled. Okay. Now, summer vacation. So it is months. Okay. You will have 2 months, right? Yes. Cooking, hours. Because hardly it will take 1 hour to cook. Knitting a sweater, it will take days. What is knitting a sweater? Trying to make a sweater out of woolen threads. Next, seed to grow into a plant. Days, depends on the plant. Days should be okay. Change of season, definitely months. Yoga, hours. Playing, few hours. You cannot play for days, for months and all, right? So seeing the activity based on it, we have to do this. Okay. Yes. Trip to Vidyabyasa. Okay. As seeing this picture, these people are going to the trip by train to Vidyabyasa, which is in Andhra Pradesh state, children. Okay. Date 24th November. Time 8:25 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Hurry, the train is about to leave, the grandfather says. Date 24th November. Time 1:15 o'clock in the afternoon. Observe the date, timings, children, here. It is 1:15 afternoon, Dadaji. How much more time will it take to reach Nani's house? The girl is asking, it's already 1:15 in the afternoon. How much more time will it take for us to reach Nani's house? just 1 more hour to reach Vijayawada railway station. So grandfather says it will take 1 more hour to reach Vijayawada railway station. Now, next day, see 25th November. It was 24th November up to here. Time 10 o'clock in the night. Ma, we enjoyed a lot today, and look at Mamaji. He's looking very handsome. Yes, dear, it's his wedding after all. God bless you, dear. So they have gone to attend a wedding here, and it is in the night, 10 o'clock, and this girl is telling uncle is looking very handsome as it is his marriage. So grandfather is also blessing the groom. God bless you, dear. Next date 26th November, time 8 o'clock in the morning. Ma, our train is day after tomorrow. Can we go for sightseeing? So the boy tells, Ma, any which ways our train is day after tomorrow. So we'll just go around, see some places and come or what? Yes, we will go to Mangalagiri Hills at 11 morning. So mother says we will go to Mangalagiri Hills at 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Date 26th November, time 5 o'clock in the evening. So morning they discussed, at evening we'll see what's happening. See Dadi, how beautiful these trees and plants are. There are so many beautiful flowers here. The girl is telling there are so many beautiful flowers and trees here. So children, it's 5 o'clock evening. We will be late. Let us go back. Grandfather says it is already 5 in the evening and it'll start getting dark. So let's go back home. Date 27 November, time 9 o'clock in the morning. So this is next day. The family decided to go to Kondapalli Fort by bus at 9 in the morning. So the previous day they went to a hill, and now they are going to one more place called Kondapalli Fort, and it is 9 in the morning. So the grandfather is telling, we will come back after 8 hours. So here the luggage carrier or the servant is telling, okay sir, you visit the fort. I will come after 8 hours to pick you all. Have a nice trip. Next date 28th November, time 7 o'clock in the evening. Oh Papa, our trip ended and now we have to go back to our home. But I am excited to travel back by the fastest train in India called Vande Bharat. Yes, wow. So the boy is telling he feels bad that the trip got ended. But the best part about going back, the journey of going back is he is going by Vande Bharat Express, which is very fast train. Okay. So the girl is telling wow, and the father is telling yes. Day 28th November, time 11:30 in the night. Mommy, I can't wait to tell my friends about this exciting trip. The boy is telling, yes, we will make such a trip again very soon. So the mother promises we'll have fun like this by going to trips again and again very soon. Okay? Yes, children. Here in the story we have to observe date, time, hours, duration. All these things they have given here specifically in pink color. Okay? Let's see the questions in the next page. Let us talk. Why did the family plan a trip? Why did they plan a trip? For, there's no place, so I will write for a wedding. Correct? They planned a trip. To which place did they go for the trip? Vijayawada. Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. I'll write AP. What did you like about their trip? Their sightseeing or their journey, everything. It's nice. Or the wedding. Yes, children. Whatever you liked about the trip, you can write it as an answer. On which day did they begin their journey? When did they come back? How long was their trip? Okay, we'll see that. So, they began their journey on which day did they begin their journey? 24th of November, correct? When did they come back? 28th November. How long was their trip? It was 5 days. Because they left on 24th, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. They came at night on 28th November. So it was 5 days trip. Which places did they visit in their trip? What was that? Mangalagiri Hills, Mangalagiri Hills, and Kondapalli Fort. Correct? It's here only. Yeah. How long was their day trip in Mangalagiri Hills? That hours we have to write. Kondapalli Fort. When did they come back from there? So for Mangalagiri Hills, they left at 11 o'clock, and by 5 o'clock they were telling, let's go back home because it's getting dark. So we'll take that time into consideration. So from 11 to 12, 1 hour. From 12 to 1, 2 hours. From 1 to 2, 3 hours. From 2 to 3, 4 hours. From 3 to 4, 5 hours. From 4 to 5, 6 hours. So 6 hours. Okay. Now we'll see Kondapalli Fort. He said, right, come after 8 hours. Grandfather told. So Kondapalli Fort was 8 hours. When did they come back from there? They came back in the evening. Correct? Yes. For how many hours were they in train when going from Visakhapatnam to Vijayawada? Okay, let's check. Visakhapatnam in the morning they left at 8:25, and to Vijayawada they reached. The girl told it is 1:15, and how long will it take for us to reach Vijayawada? That time the grandfather answered it might take 1 more hour. So 1:15 plus 1 hour is 2:15. So 2:15 they reached to Vijayawada. So when they were going back to Visakhapatnam from Vijayawada, they left at 7:30 in the night, okay, and reached home or reached Visakhapatnam at 11:30. So how many hours it was? From 8:25 to 2:15. 9:25, 10:25, 11:25, 12:25, 1:25, 2:25. So 5 hours 50 minutes. That is close to 6 hours, children. Okay. Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam, 7:30 to 11:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. In 4 hours, they reach back home in Vande Mataram Express. Have you been on trip recently? What do you enjoy most about trips? Children, you have to answer this question. Whichever trip you have gone recently, and what did you enjoy most in that trip, you have to write it here. Now, amazing fact. Do you know Vande Mataram is the fastest train in India? The train is designed in India only and is also India's first train to have an integrated engine and not a separate engine coach. Okay, children, this is about Vande Mataram Express. Okay? Yes, children, by this we come to an end of this video.